Welcome back to Cartoons, the channel where we talk about cars that are awesome without breaking the bank. Today we're diving into the 2013 Toyota Corolla. This car is the definition of reliable and budget-friendly. Let's get started. The 2013 Corolla has built a reputation as one of the longest-lasting cars on the road. It can easily hit 300,000 miles with regular maintenance, according to a study by IC Cars. One owner even clocked 400,000 miles and said it still ran like a champ. Think of it as the marathon runner of cars. It just doesn't quit. With consistent performance and durability, this car is always ready to get you where you need to go, rain or shine. Equipped with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, the Corolla offers smooth performance and fewer repairs compared to competitors like the Honda Civic. This means a quieter ride with less vibration, making it perfect for long drives or stop-and-go city traffic. It's not about speed, it's about reliability. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or road tripping, this car delivers steady performance every time. Here's the best part. You can find a used 2013 Corolla for under $10,000 on platforms like AutoTrader or local listings. That's thousands less than competitors like the Honda Civic or Mazda 3. For first-time car buyers or anyone upgrading from an older model, it's a no-brainer. Plus, its low repair and gas costs mean you're saving even more over time. It's a car that pays for itself in peace of mind. Let's talk gas mileage. The 2013 Corolla delivers 27 miles per gallon in the city and 34 on the highway, beating out many competitors like the Ford Focus. That means fewer stops at the pump and more cash in your pocket for the things you love. With rising gas prices, every mile per gallon counts, and the Corolla has you covered. The Corolla is as low maintenance as they come. Oil changes and tire rotations cost under $100, and you won't face big-ticket repairs like timing belt replacements or tricky transmissions. Mechanics love this car. One even said, "Working on a Corolla is like a walk in the park. Everything is straightforward and designed for easy access. If you like to DIY your repairs, the affordable and readily available parts make it even better." Inside, the 2013 Corolla keeps things simple yet effective. The spacious interior fits you, your friends, and your gear with ease. Durable materials mean it's ready for anything, from daily commutes to weekend adventures. While it may not have the luxury of higher-end cars, it's practical and comfortable, making every trip enjoyable. The Corolla's versatility is unmatched. Need extra cargo space? Fold down the rear seats. Struggling to park in tight city spaces? Its compact size makes it a breeze. Whether you're hitting the beach, heading to work, or taking a family road trip, the Corolla adapts effortlessly to your needs. With smooth handling and thoughtful design, it's a car built for all occasions. Affordable, reliable, and easy to maintain. The 2013 Corolla proves you don't need to spend a fortune for quality. Its durability ensures you're making a solid investment, not just for today, but for years to come. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone in between, the Corolla is a choice you won't regret. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, smash that subscribe button for Cartoons, give us a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Got a 2013 Corolla story or another car we should review? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy driving. Subscribe to Cartoons for more real talk on cars that give you the best bang for your buck.